go-to. Tell me everything about you. That's a bold move. Hold up, hold up, hold up. You the only one that ever made me better. You got me touching all over you like the Macarena. Oh, move. Gina, I'm on 8097. Woo, woo, woo. GT Salabu, the Christ, I'm feeling like a new.
Welcome back to the channel. So I'm just starting off with some old braids that I had for about a week and a half with a wig that I wore, and I just thought, you know, I wasn't ready to wash my hair right away, so I was gonna start on stretched hair and just take out my braids and moisturize them. So I spritzed a little bit of cactus oil into my hair, and it's very tingly, so I love the way that it feels. And then I went ahead and put some Aphogee moisturizer into my hair, and I just put it on my scalp, you know, on the ends of my hair and my braids. So when I took it out, it was on nice and moisturized, and I went to sleep with that. So I'm going to start off by just pulling out some edges because I'm going to style them up for this style. So then I'm going to just part my hair in a trapezoid shape just to give it, you know, a little spicy look. So I parted that in half, and I attempted to do like a triangle part in my hair. You can barely tell, but you know, just to not make it so bland. So I just made sure I moisturized my hair by using the Aphogee moisturizer again, and y'all about to see my hair was really dead. I'm cutting my hair for real like in the front, because that is not cute. So now, so far I have 6 parts, and I'm just going to take the middle part in the front row of my head, like right in the front. I'm going to twist it up and then connect it to the middle part in the last row. Then I just took each opposite side and connected it to the last row diagonally. So here I'm just going to be retaining moisture by twisting up my hair in sections and just making sure that my hair is moisturized. And y'all, it was pretty long right there. Y'all saw that? I think the rest is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna brush my hair with the Denman brush up into a bun. My head is pretty big, so if there's a lump in the back, you know, it's just my head. But anyway, yeah, I just use a wet line extreme gel, and then I use a 24-hour edge tamer on my edges, and that made the style super, super sleek, and I love how the style came out. So I'm moisturizing the ends of my hair. Once again, you know, you gotta make sure that your hair is moisturized. My hair is very dry. So then, you know, for the style, I'm going to braid my hair and wrap the extension or the weft around my braid going upwards. So I'm going to be securing this weft with my bobby pins, and believe it or not, it's actually pretty secure. I think I used about 6 or 7 bobby pins throughout the style, but every 4 or 5 wraps I use a bobby pin. So I might have done 6 or 7 wraps, I don't know, but wherever I felt comfortable enough to just put a bobby pin in, that's what I did. So here I'm just going to take a loose piece of hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail just to make sure no track is showing. And, you know, this just kind of gives it a finished look. I added some gold bobby pins and gold string around the base of my ponytail just to give it a little effortless look. It was really like kind of like a messy, cute, like I tried but I didn't look. So I really enjoy this style, and it's super fun and it's just super chic. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.